Okay, so as we all know, Rich Amiri dropped, and you know what that means. So the song we're gonna remake today is called You Like. It's one of my favorite songs from his project. I think y'all really gonna like this one. The vocals is like really wide and they're just smooth as fuck, so I think y'all fuck with this one. So let's just get right into it. Now we're in the FLP and I'm gonna show y'all this shit. Okay, we're just gonna go over first the ad-libs because it's in the beginning. And here's mine. As y'all can hear, that's fucking 1-to-1. We don't even gotta say nothing else. Like, you feel me? That's 1-to-1. And next up, we got the main vocals.
Take one to the head and take another. Now she being shown, no not regular. She rock Gucci and stilettos. Oh baby, that's what you like. Oh baby, that's what you like. Got a red bone, lighter than a feather. Put her on codeine, she put me on psychedelics. So I get it, yo. Baby, that's what you like. Oh baby, that's what you like.
Yeah, as y'all can hear, that's also like 1-to-1. And keep in mind, I'm doing this shit with the Rode NT18. But also, one thing I gotta tell y'all is when I do these remakes, I don't master the songs. And I could if I want to, but for the sake of the video, I'm just doing this with no master because it's hard for me to master a song that's already mastered. You feel me? Yeah. Anyways, if you hear in Amiri's vocals,
Take one to the head and take another.
it's more blended with the beat. So like when he does it, it's more like blended into the beat, and compared to mine, which is just like sitting over the beat and just kind of chilling there. You feel me?
Take one to the head and take another. Now she being shown, no not.
And that's because they mastered this song, obviously. But yeah, I just want to get that said because maybe people feel like it doesn't sound as good because yeah, I didn't master it. And when you do these songs, first of all, don't copy Amiri, don't do the same shit. Do your own thing with this preset. I want y'all to be creative. But yeah, if you're doing a song, I'm recommending one thing here. I'm putting it all on right now. So use Ozone 11. This is like a master assistant. I use this on all of my songs. I recommend y'all do it too. So I can just use it. I can show y'all for next. I can actually master this now to show y'all how much it just blends the vocals with the beat, which you want. But you don't want your vocals to sit over the beat like this because it will just sound not as complete.
Take one to the head and take another. Oh baby, that's what you like.
Okay, so now Ozone 11 mastered it, and y'all can already hear it sounds much better, just a little bit loud, so I'll turn it down a little bit.
Got a red bone, lighter than a feather. Put on codeine, she put me on psychedelics.
So yeah, master does really fucking much, so I recommend y'all use this. I will leave this shit in the drive. I will leave it free. But yeah, I will leave this in the drive below, so just go to the description and you feel me, y'all get that shit for free. But we don't gotta talk more about that now. And then it goes over here to
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yo, you want beef with me, but I want cheddar. Got the love for ride, came with red leather. I don't think the Lord can save me no more. I'll stop at red lights, always on go. Remember I ain't had 20, now it's 20 a show. Hey mama, you see your son, told you that I would blow.
yeah. As y'all can hear, this sounds just like the original song, and y'all will sound amazing with this preset, honestly. Y'all will get 2 presets. It's 1 ad-lib and 1 main vocal preset. What I have on the main vocal is, of course, okay, one thing I gotta go through as well is that this main vocal, you just drag and drop it here. When you first drag and drop it, it will sound like this.
Take one to the head and
As y'all can notice, it's not very wide, and that's why you gotta do like this. Just literally press here. I will add the route too, so y'all add the route as well and drop it here, and then y'all can just press here to get it sound like this.
take one to the head.
That's what makes it wide. Okay, so now we're gonna go over the preset. So first of all, we obviously got the auto tune, and y'all can just copy the settings here. And next up, we got the FX RTA stereo. I'm gonna just press these bands so y'all can copy them. Boom. Arvox. And then we got the Silk. This is like an AI plugin or whatever. I don't even know. It just takes out the bad frequencies. So I just used it. Alright, next up we got the SSL comp by Waves. Yeah, you can see the settings. Just copy this shit. And then the R compressor. Xvox Pro. And Fruity Chorus on the normal default. And I just turned it to 30%. Yeah, that's literally it for the main vocal. And of course routed it here to the Meta Flanger, which is on the doubler preset. And I just turned this down to 65%. And the micro shift. This is what makes it so wide. Yep, that's it. My card is full. But yeah, basically that's the preset. And as y'all hear, it sounds really damn similar. I'm gonna keep everything in the drive, which I'll share with y'all in the description. Y'all can just go download that shit for free. And I also got a lot more presets from like Lil TJ, Future, Lil Uzi Vert. I'm gonna keep on going with this like a series. So just comment whoever you want me to recreate and I'll do that. So with that said, please subscribe and like and comment and just support me. Because I'm doing this shit for free and I'm putting y'all on. So with all of that said, I'll see you on the next one.